Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Tithe. You're watching Tithe Show, the show that's keeping it real all the way from Netherlands. It's fun, it's informative, it's charitable, and it is inspirational. I am here with
Cuiva, Laura,
Brona,
Grace,
Muad, Salah, Yusuf,
Hani, I'm from Cairo, Egypt.
Jerry,
Molly,
Tithe.
Shauna, Shanto,
Leonardo Gil Beroes. I am from Venezuela.
Maria, Margarida.
Juan,
Ilko.
And we're gonna sing you some folk songs. Yes.
Everywhere we go, people always ask us. People always ask us who we are, and where do we come from?
And where do we come from?
And we always tell them.
And we always tell them
We're from Dublin.
we're from Dublin.
Bally, Bally, Dublin.
Bali, Bali, Dublin.
Up there.
It's all about get people involved to do what we do, and we're gonna do some dancing.
I'm here in Amsterdam for doing Tithe Samuel's show.
Melelemme.
Oye, jelebe yoyoma.
Melelemme.
Chidebe denaka naka wako kompiampia oisitolo nafia madaji alienu
Arigatori golo.
boya melelemme melelemme oh melelemme
Melelemme. Woman melelemme.
melelemme oh melelemme melelemme oh melelemme melelemme oh melelemme melelemme oh melelemme melelemme oh melelemme. All right. Come on, guys, come on.
Pásame la botella, voy a beber en nombre de ella. Pásame la botella, voy a beber en nombre de ella.
This is Tithe Show. Stay tuned.
Sit down for the boys in green. Sit down for the boys in green. Sit down for the boys in green. Stand up
For the boys in green, stand up. For the boys in green, stand up. For the boys in green. One last thing.
For the boys in green.
Now that is crazy. It's cold, man. Put your shoes on. Put your shoes on.
تعطيت اللي تبغيني عاد تسولف فيها ملي كنت انا وحدي فين كنتي وانتيا وتعطيت اللي تبغيني عاد جاية تسول فيها ملي كنت انا وحدي فين كنتي وانتيا اي اي اي
This is just amazing evening. How you can see people are active, ready to sing together with us, and it's worth living for to be with everybody. And if you have any suggestion what you would like us to do, write down below in the comments. You've been watching Tithe Samuel Show. This is your girl Anna. Till next time, boys and girls.
My pleasure.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
This is Ty Samuel's show. Stay tuned.